Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Highlander spare tire. First, you'll need to locate the spare tire, which is typically found underneath the rear of your vehicle. Next, open the rear hatch and lift the cargo floor panel to reveal the tool compartment. Inside, you'll find essential items like the jack, lug wrench, and the adapter socket needed for lowering the tire. Now, let's prepare the lowering mechanism. Look for a small, round cap on the passenger side of the cargo area floor, then remove it to expose the lowering bolt. Next, assemble your jack handle by connecting the pieces, ensuring it's securely tightened. Attach the adapter socket to the end of the jack handle, then carefully insert this assembled tool into the lowering bolt. With the tool engaged, it's time to lower the spare tire. Turn the assembled jack handle counterclockwise. As you turn, the tire will slowly descend from underneath the vehicle. Keep turning until you feel the tension release and the tire is completely resting on the ground. Once it's down, you can carefully pull the spare tire out from beneath your Highlander. To fully remove the spare, you'll need to manipulate the retaining plate in the center of the tire to detach it from the cable. When you're ready to resecure the spare, simply reverse these steps, turning the jack handle clockwise to raise it back into place. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Keeping your spare tire properly maintained is crucial for safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.